Welcome back. Locked out? No problem. In this video, we'll reset a forgotten password from start to finish. On the sign-in screen, click Forgot Password. Type in the email address for your account. Then click Send Reset Link. Email SendX confirms the email is on its way. Just so you know, that reset link expires after 24 hours, so it's best to use it soon. Open your inbox, find the reset email, and click the link inside. Email SendX checks that the link is valid, then shows you the reset form. Enter a fresh password, and make it a strong one you haven't used before. Type it once more to confirm, then click Reset Password. The two entries need to match exactly. Your password is updated. Click Sign In and log in with your new password. That wraps up the basics of accessing your account.